everybody, Giovanni here.
And Jaden.
And today we're gonna make empanadas. Now, to make the empanadas, we're gonna go over the ingredients for you.
You have green pepper, red pepper, onions, habanero pepper, egg for the egg wash, chicken, and olive oil.
And we're gonna have vegetable oil if you use it for frying. We're gonna do it frying and also some for baking. We're gonna have a chicken bouillon. You have tomato sauce. We have 1 or 2 packets of sazon, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, adobo, minced garlic, sofrito, and my kids are half Cuban and half Asian, so this is something called epis. If you would like to know what the ingredients, just leave a comment below. We'll let you know what it is that's in here. It's just a mix of vegetables that you blend together. Some flour, and also the dough for the empanadas. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is add some olive oil to the pan. Then we're going to go ahead, while that warms up a little bit, and add our veggies. We're going to go ahead and add about 1 or 2 tablespoons of garlic. And we're going to mix this all together. And we're going to cook this until the onions soften. All right, next we're going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the epis. We're going to go ahead and mix that all up. It smells good. The epis is a staple for Haitian cuisine. I like incorporating my Cuban recipes with Haitian recipes. Call it cubation. All right, we're going to go ahead and add our chicken. From there, we'll go ahead and add the tomato sauce. we'll add a couple tablespoons of sofrito. And we're gonna go ahead and mix that up. From there, we're gonna add onion powder, some adobo, garlic powder, the sazon, I saved some of the chicken broth, so when the chicken seems a little dry, you're gonna add a little bit more of chicken broth. Not too much. You don't want it to be too wet because then it'll go ahead and leak out of the dough. Just mix that up right quick. Now I did add 1 packet of the sazon. I like the sazon because it brings a nice bright color to the chicken. Because I had 4 chicken breasts, I'm gonna add another packet. I'm gonna lower the temperature a little bit. Now here you'll go ahead and add the habanero pepper. I did not add it yet because I'm cooking this for my kids also, and the habanero pepper is really spicy. So I will add that later for me and the missus because we like spice in our life. It smells good, it's making me hungry. So we're gonna let that boil for a little bit to get the flavors infused into it. So we're gonna go ahead and cover it and let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. All right, so 10 minutes has passed, so let's take a quick look on how our chicken's looking. Looks good. I love the color. So let's add some black pepper to it now. Now, I don't add salt to my food. If I do, it's very minimal. I don't like the high taste of salt. So if you feel like you need to add some salt to it, go right ahead, you know. This is my version, this is what I like. So if you feel like it needs to add salt, go ahead and add some salt to it. Doesn't hurt, unless you put too much. So go ahead and mix that up. All right, let's try it right quick. Delicious. All right, the chicken is done. So we'll go ahead and bring that over to the counter so we can start preparing the empanadas. prepare the egg wash, and so we have our chicken, our flour, and also the empanada dough discs. So let's go ahead and begin. The first thing we did is clean out your counter, since we're going to be doing with flour on the counter. So you can just a little bit of flour on the counter. Just go ahead and rotate it. Let's open up our discs. All right, so we're gonna peel one of the dough discs out, get some flour on it, and then let's get one for Jaden out. And you're gonna put about 1 tablespoon into each empanada. All right, then you're gonna go ahead, you take the egg wash and brush it against the border, just like a smiley face. I just do half. Reason for the egg wash is so it's easier to close, so it seals. All right, then we're gonna go ahead and fold it in half and just seal it. And just push down on it. Now there's many ways to seal the empanadas. Some of it rolls it up. I go ahead and use a fork and I press along the edge. Flip it to the other side and press along also. Here you go, bud. All right, so if you're gonna go ahead and fry it while Jaden's finishing up this last one, the one I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bake it. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush some egg wash on top of it, just like this. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes until it gets to that nice golden color. Jaden's is firstly ready to go, and just dip it into the deep fryer, and we'll show you how that goes. Alright, you're gonna make sure your oil is heated up to medium heat, and then you're gonna go ahead and fry your empanadas. Should take about 2 minutes each side. You want to make sure you get that nice golden color. You want to make sure you get this nice golden color. And then place it on a paper towel so it could absorb any excess oil. Alright, and here's your finished product. In the front we have the baked empanadas, and in the back we have the fried empanadas. Those who are health conscious, you can go ahead and do with the baked ones. Those who love fried food and nice and crispy, go ahead and do the ones in the back. If you have any questions, just go ahead and comment below.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the notification button so you never miss a video.
Enjoy!
Bye!